Intro.
All right, we're back at the shop for another work weekend. Last time we were here, I tried spraying the back here, and I don't know if I didn't shake the can up enough, but it sprayed out some when we started spraying. Left all this garbage all over. I don't know if you can quite see it, which will easily show up through the film. Kind of looks like I'm being a little picky, but they are still there. And like I said, they'll show up through the film really easily, so I'm just going to sand them off, put a quick primer like this gray over top of it, and then we'll be good to wrap tomorrow. We'd like to do that whole side if we could this weekend, and maybe a little bit back here, and we have a door that's prepped, as well as we can also prep another door. There seems to be an abundance of work around here right now.
It never ends.
We'll get started. Doesn't need much either, just quick little once over, and that gets rid of all the high sides or high ridges. Small imperfections. As good as it's gonna get.
Let's inspect. I don't see anything. It looks good.
Just a little bit of, I don't know what you want to call it, deflection or just some inconsistencies. I'm actually using some 600 grit sandpaper and just wiping the walls with it. It gets rid of any of the little imperfections, makes it smooth, and then I'll have to wipe it with mild soap and water before we wrap it to clean it all up, but at least it'll get all the imperfections off of it or anything that potentially could push through the wrap. Like it's just a Phillips screwdriver, Phillips head screws to take this guy off. Hopefully nice and easy, just the three of them. This silicone. That broken blade in there. That's awesome. That'll make things a lot easier. All right, so I got it all scuffed, sanded, and I'm just gonna hit it with the air gun to blow out any loose particles that are stuck in the corners and hard to get places, and then I'll wipe it down, and then we'll be good to put some marks on it and get the wrapping material up there. right, that's it. We'll put a couple marks there for where we're running the vinyl horizontally. It comes in 60" by however many yards or feet long that you want. So we bought a full roll for this. So either way, if we were running 60" from the top down, we were gonna have a joint here, or we split it and did 36 and 36, and that left us with like 6 inches at the bottom for Raptor liner when we're done. So either way, we were gonna have a seam running across it. So on the other side, we did 44¼ inches from this bottom lip to that halfway mark. So that's what we'll do, the same on this side, and shouldn't have any issues, or there shouldn't be anything. It shouldn't be noticeable if we're off by 1/4 inch. ND Graphics out of Saskatoon, but they're Canada wide. They can get you pretty much any film you want, or 3M 2080. We've done our golf carts, Papa's ambulance, which you see in the background here. We'll tour that later on. Yeah, it's nice and easy to work with. We've used Vivid too. It's not bad either, but we just keep going back to the 3M because we're comfortable with it. You can buy the tools too from ND Graphics. I think we just got a little kit off Amazon.
Yeah. Okay, so this one is 11'7".
Good?
Ready, Freddy.
No stress. Everybody take a breather. Papa?
He's the freaking cucumber here.
Slow down, mama, why you talk so mean? Good Lord, Nashville, it ain't what it seems. Got nice clothes, late night shows, boogie down at the bar. Fiddle tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back, but hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar.
All right, guys, I don't mind if somebody double checks my measurements to make sure that we got it right. You can see Tab here on the side. She's using a new unit of measurement. We're not really sure what it is, but I think it only comes in 5'3". And obviously it didn't work for her either, because she's going to resort back to using a tape measure to double check that line.
Don't think twice, but hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, go on. Tell me where you wanna go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't.
First part's done, first half. It went on relatively smooth, but we kind of expected it would be pretty easy because there's not a whole lot of things to go around. Those lights and those little covers that I had where the old ambulance lights were, those are a little bit more trickier, but with a bit of heat, they'll go just like the other side is. Yeah, we'll do that little 3-inch piece and then do the top. High five.
Gotta wait to pull up my wow face. Wow! It looks so nice. I said wow over there and I was like, wait, this was already done. Pulled out my wow face too early. That's a nasty carpet. I can hear it crunch. That's how gross it is. It's from the 80s. Yeah, you can look at the pattern and tell.
No, it's not.
You don't think that carpet's from the 80s?
Well, maybe.
I bet you they cut it out of a 70s house and stuck it in here.
It's definitely not 2000.
Ew! Ew, it looks so crunchy. I touched it.
Well, in my absence, I'll be surely missing you. I've been working every day, and I sure hope your love is too. I never gave you cause to doubt me. Hope you always think about me. And if you think I'm gonna find another, it ain't true. Keep the home fire burning while I'm gone. I'll be back to fan the flame, it won't be long. Just a while and then I'm back where I belong. Keep the home fire burning while I'm gone. All kinds of trouble, you know what to do. I know you take care of yourself. There's a box of 22, and my pistol's always loaded, and another in the sock drawer, just in case they think I'm gone.
How do you do it?
Hold it. Yeah.
This evil heart of mine, it don't mean
This side?
It works pretty good though.
It's pretty hot.
You gotta just use your fingers and try and hold all the angles and then work it
that or
out.
I'm trying to get this thing where you can put it on a post or something so you can work around it, right?
Yeah.
Peel it off and do it again with another piece of waste.
Yeah, the only thing is it just got a little hot here,
Yeah.
which it was gonna work out there. You know, or it might have been a little bit of pitting like that.
Yeah. A little bit of pitting. So
A couple of creases, but
Had it hot enough to let it wrap around behind it would be good.
That's cool. Yeah, it looks like it.
great.
It probably did. We pulled pretty hard there at first.
All right, so the guys finished wrapping this whole side. It looks fantastic, fantastic. We're gonna try and wrap one more door before we call it a day today. Oh, that was just such a huge project to get done. And the wrapping's not difficult, it just gets tedious when we try and work around the lights and doors and all that kind of stuff, but doable. Like anyone can wrap a vehicle. It's just patience, being patient with it.
This is 38 by 36. And we're gonna try and figure out how to keep it. The thing overlap. it down, we need to have like 2 inches or better on either side all the way around so it lips over and all the way onto the other side. And go your way, Papa. We got like 4 inches here.
There, pretty close. So, yeah.
All right, we're gonna call that a wrap for the day. Get it? Wrap. And head home, relax for a bit, come back tomorrow. Plan for tomorrow is this side. Not much left. And maybe start cleaning up some of these doors. A couple of the doors we have hinges that have seized up or locking mechanisms. So we're gonna try and get those fixed before we wrap them. I think it'll go good. What do you think, Jeff?
It'll be fine
It'll be fine.
because I'll be doing it.
That's the plan. Should be a good day. It's been a good day. I think this took a little bit longer than we anticipated, but it went smoothly. It looks great. I didn't even do anything and I feel tired.
Yeah, it was stressful to watch. I know.
That's what, yeah, like I think I'm just emotionally exhausted from watching it because it was so stressful.
It's all right. I was watching Papa too.
Yeah, he's so patient. I think that's the best part about having him help us do some of this stuff, is that his level of patience is like Buddha, like monk-ish. He's monk-ish. All right, Jeff, do it. Do it. Do it.
Papa, do it.
Okay, Papa, do high five to the camera. This is our goodbye.
Go right to the screen.
Right to the screen. No peeing in the shop, you.